Well, hello, princesses, and welcome back to Not Fit for Print Beauty with me, Rebecca. Well, February 12th, which is right around the corner, we are celebrating the Lunar New Year, and it will be the year of the ox. My luck is hopefully starting already because I scored, and I do mean scored, an extra large lucky bag from Beautylish. It is right here. It is what's taking up so much of the frame. It's really heavy and big, and it's here. I have never gotten an extra large before. I don't know if I was just extra lucky or if they were maybe streamlined it and it was a little bit easier to get this year. I don't know. We shall see. But it is over $300 of product or so, I think, for $150. And I don't know what I have in here and what I don't have. We are going to open it together. I don't even have my contacts on. I got my glasses so I can see everything beautifully, which will reflect a little bit. I apologize, but this is business. So all I have done so far is only opened up the box itself with the scissors, because you didn't need to see me doing that. The rest of this we are going to do together. So I want you to see here we have the Beautylish sticker, and on top of it we have the little note. This is why I'm not wearing my contacts today. We have lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. And they have the Japanese character. This year's lucky bag means down or daybreak, which symbolizes new beginnings. Well, we need that, right? After a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. And they have the name also of the calligrapher who has done the character here. This is actually beautiful. Let me just show you guys this. Make sure that I'm holding it the right way because I do not want to mess that up and hold it the wrong way, but it's too big for frame anyway, but it's poster size and really cool. Okay, then we have, I know you guys are anxious to get into this too, a lot of bubble wrap, of course, and well, we're just going to start. Items first, we have this. I should have done like a workout first. My goodness, this is jam-packed, you guys. This is, if you are fast forwarding a bit for some reason, this is the $150 extra large lucky bag, and there's a lot in here. Okay. First item we have is the R&C Company Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. I will totally use that. I love a good dry shampoo. I will absolutely use that. So that is in there. We'll put it to the side. Then we have, Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Hollywood. Let's check it out. This is the matte lipstick in Hollywood. Let's see what shade this is. I don't have a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's certainly, it's very pretty. I will not put it on because I'm wearing my Charlotte Tilbury Lunar lipstick right now. But that is a really pretty nude color in a matte. How many of you have worn this matte formula before? Please let me know below. So that already, I'm not adding these up. I know some people like to add up how much, but pardon me for getting excited. I got a Sonia G brush. I have all of her brushes 2 times over, and I always need more. And this is the Crease 1 brush. Highly recognizable. The Sonia G Crease 1 brush. Always welcome here. I love duplicates of that. It will have a wonderful home. Then what do we see we got here? We got a Good Molecules product. I actually really like, I use their makeup remover, so I'm always happy to see it. This is the Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. The Pineapple Exfoliating Powder, formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to soften, bright, and exfoliate. You know, I don't currently have an exfoliator that I'm using, so that is a welcome addition. And I like Good Molecules. It's really good, affordable skincare in my estimation. We got a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Light. This I already have. If you are a fan of the Magic Cream Light is a true lighter version, and it is actually a beautiful product. I will save this for a future upcoming giveaway. That will be something that I think you guys will enjoy getting, since I definitely have one. Ooh, we have a Wayne Goss Essential Kohl Eye Pencil in, let's see what shade this one is in. I do have all of them, so I might save this. This is in Obsidian. This is the black Wayne Goss eyeliner. Might save that for a giveaway too. I have one, love it. Super, super soft, super, super easy to use, and on me they really stay. Okay, we have an Hourglass. Hourglass is a little bit of the enemy of the state right now, right? After that last powder they put out, but let's see what we got here. We have, there's something big in here with a fan on the back. I don't know what it is, but we'll get to it. We have the Ambient Lighting Edit Sculpture Edition. I think I might have this one, so we might be saving something else. Sorry to open it, you guys, if it's gonna be your gift. Okay, we'll open it real quick. I do have this one, but I won't touch it, I promise, because it will be in a giveaway. I do have that, and that will go gently, I'm not gonna touch it again, sorry about that, into a giveaway. We won't touch it, we'll keep it nice. Uh-oh, I see an eye palette. I see an eye palette. We have, pardon me, in all the tissue, Natasha Denona Love Palette. Also have this. I have a lot of makeup, guys, so of course, you know. So this will definitely go into a giveaway. Very Valentine's-y, very beautiful palette. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's something in here with a big fan attached. What in the world is this? Is this a beauty fridge, maybe? Oh, okay. It is the last thing in here. We can get rid of this box. And then let's see what in the world this is. Yes, oh, it's a good, I think it's the Good Molecules beauty fridge. Now, I have a beauty fridge, but I am happy to see this because I think this is a better one than mine. Let's see what it is. It looks like it is a beauty fridge from Good Molecules. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. I'm so excited, I'm like dropping things. And I'll show it to you. It's got a handle on the top, kind of cool. And it's got, let's see. So you open it up, yep, it is, I was right, a little beauty fridge. And it's got a little shelf on the door, see that? That is so much fun. And you can also make this hot or cold. So there's a little switch on the back that you flip it from hot to cold, and then you know what you've got there. And that is certainly a pricey little thing. So let's see how I did. I got the Good Molecules fridge, which I'll really use. In terms of big products that I already had, the Natasha Denona Love Palette and the Hourglass Sculpture. Those will be giveaways, but I'm definitely gonna, oh, and the Charlotte Tilbury Light Magic. So those three will be some nice giveaways to you guys coming up. And then I'm definitely keeping my repeat of my Sonia G brush because you can never have enough. Looking forward to trying this Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick, which was in that really pretty color that I put on my hand for you guys. The Dry Shampoo Mist, definitely looking forward to it. Wayne Goss Obsidian Liner, there will be another for a giveaway, though I absolutely love it and could probably use another one. And another Good Molecules product, the Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. So I think I did pretty good. It's a pity I didn't get the big things I already had, but this is the chance we take, and I still feel super lucky. Can't wait to see what others out there got. Let me know below if you yourself scored one of these cool lucky bags and what you think of what was in mine. Yes, it's a pity that I have a lot of the products, but I was still thrilled to get it. Lots of good stuff in here worth a lot of money, and I think I'm going to put this little baby to good use. See you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.